I was in central Iowa when the storm came through, and I received a call from Mike Kinley, the CEO of Mid-Iowa Co-op. And so I got in my car and drove here and met him probably 2 hours after the storm pushed through. The timing of the storm was pre-harvest. So getting back up and running was absolutely crucial to the success of this location.
The roof took a lot of damage, a lot of shrapnel inside the bin. The rest of the bins were completely smashed in against the towers. The stairs were completely destroyed, so no one could even go up top to observe anything. We knew it was going to be important that we get a jump start, and so we ordered bins the same day as the storm happened. We said that we wanted to be operable for harvest, and Nationwide and True North and our millwrights and electricians really stepped up, and the upright bins were all back in place within 75 days. So thanks to Nationwide to be able to come out very quickly and be able to get some money in our account so that we could start the process was key, and that was something that they were able to do in a very timely manner.
Claims can get very complicated for a large commercial agribusiness client like Mid-Iowa Co-op. And so their claims team specialization, handling knowledge is probably second to none. Nationwide, understanding the risk and just understanding their business is very advantageous for the co-ops here in Iowa.